Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into Amphenol's first quarter earnings report for 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Amphenol has reported some impressive numbers this quarter. Can you give us a brief overview?
Absolutely. Amphenol has reported record sales of $4.8 billion, which is a 48% increase in US dollars compared to the same quarter last year. Their adjusted diluted EPS also hit a record at 63 cents, up 58% from the previous year. These results are driven by strong organic growth and strategic acquisitions.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Amphenol reported a net revenue of $4.8 billion for the first quarter of 2025, which is a significant increase from last year. John, what factors contributed to this growth?
The revenue growth was primarily driven by excellent organic growth in the IT datacom market, as well as robust performance in mobile devices, defense, and communications networks. Additionally, their acquisition program, including the recent acquisitions of LifeSync and CommScope's OWN and DAS businesses, played a crucial role in boosting sales.
And how about their profitability?
Amphenol achieved a record-adjusted operating margin of 23.5%, reflecting their strong profitability. This was supported by operational efficiencies and the successful integration of acquisitions, which helped in expanding their margins.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. John, analysts had forecasted an EPS of 52 cents for Amphenol, but the company reported an adjusted EPS of 63 cents. What does this tell us about their performance?
This is a significant beat, with the actual EPS exceeding forecasts by 11 cents. It highlights Amphenol's ability to outperform market expectations, driven by their strategic initiatives and strong market demand across various sectors.
How many analysts were involved in this forecast?
The forecast was based on a survey of 4 analysts, which makes this beat even more impressive, showcasing Amphenol's robust financial health and strategic execution.
Strategic initiatives and acquisitions. Amphenol has been active on the strategic front as well. Can you elaborate on their recent acquisitions and capital return strategies?
Certainly. Amphenol completed the acquisitions of LifeSync and CommScope's OWN and DAS businesses, which are expected to be accretive to their EPS. They also returned approximately $380 million to shareholders through share buybacks and dividends, reflecting their commitment to enhancing shareholder value.
How do these acquisitions fit into their overall strategy?
These acquisitions align with Amphenol's strategy of market and geographic diversification, expanding their technology offerings and strengthening their competitive position in high-growth markets.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what is Amphenol's outlook for the second quarter of 2025?
Amphenol expects sales to be between $4.90 billion and $5 billion, with an adjusted EPS forecast of 0.64 cents to 66. Despite the uncertain economic and geopolitical environment, they are optimistic about the growth opportunities driven by the ongoing revolution in electronics.
What are the key factors that could influence their future performance?
Their performance will largely depend on their ability to capitalize on growth opportunities in the electronics sector, manage geopolitical risks, and continue their successful acquisition strategy.
Key takeaways. In summary, Amphenol has delivered a stellar performance in the first quarter of 2025 with record sales and earnings. Their strategic acquisitions and strong market presence have positioned them well for future growth. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Amphenol's impressive results.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Amphenol's performance in the comments below.